Have you ever wondered about the significance of age in the Bible, particularly in Genesis chapter 5? This chapter, filled with intriguing narratives, mentions figures living for several centuries. It's a puzzle that has sparked curiosity and debate among scholars, theologians, and enthusiasts alike. Is there a deeper meaning, a hidden message perhaps within these extraordinary lifespans? Or is it merely an allegory, a metaphorical representation of something else? Let's delve into the fascinating world of Genesis chapter 5 and uncover its mysteries. Genesis chapter 5 is an intriguing genealogical narrative. It's a chapter that traces the lineage from Adam, the first man, all the way to Noah, a man of significance who played a crucial role in the survival of humanity. The tale begins with Adam, born from the dust of the earth, created in the image of God. Adam becomes a father and then a grandfather, and the lineage continues, each generation carrying the divine spark of life bestowed upon Adam. As we delve deeper into this narrative, we encounter a fascinating phenomenon: the unusually long lifespans of these early humans. Adam lived for 930 years, his son Seth for 912, and Enosh, Seth's son, for 905 years. This trend continues down the lineage, with Methuselah, the oldest of them all, living an astonishing 969 years. These numbers may seem staggering to us, living in a world where reaching the age of 100 is considered a significant milestone. Yet, this narrative invites us to ponder on a broader scale. It's not just about the number of years these individuals lived, but the quality of their existence, their experiences, and the wisdom they accumulated over centuries. The tale of Genesis chapter 5 is a testament to the human quest for longevity. Throughout history, mankind has sought ways to extend life, to push the boundaries of our mortal existence. We see this in our own time, with advancements in medicine and technology, our continuous pursuit of knowledge about the human body, all aiming to increase our life expectancy. But these long-lived ancestors of ours also serve as a reminder of our mortality. No matter how long they lived, each story eventually ends with the same phrase, "and then he died." It's a sobering reminder of the transience of life, a call to appreciate the time we have and to live it to the fullest. In this captivating lineage, we see the human story unfold, from Adam, the first man, to Noah, the survivor of the great flood. This chapter is not just a genealogical record, but a narrative of humanity, a tale of life, death, and the enduring spirit of mankind. The longevity of the characters in Genesis chapter 5 is a mystery that has puzzled scholars and enthusiasts alike. It's a riddle wrapped in the pages of one of the world's oldest books, and it's up to us to try and make sense of it. One of the most intriguing theories revolves around the idea of symbolic numbers. In ancient cultures, numbers often held symbolic meanings, representing concepts or ideals. Could the astonishingly long lifespans of these characters be a form of ancient symbolism? Some scholars think so, suggesting that these ages might represent the character's wisdom or virtue. Then there's the theory of divine intervention. Given the spiritual context of the Bible, it's plausible that these long lives were divinely granted, a testament to the extraordinary relationship these individuals had with God. A significant theory that cannot be overlooked is the role of pre-flood conditions in contributing to the long lifespans. The world before the Great Flood is believed to have been vastly different from what we know today. These differences in the environmental conditions, including potentially higher oxygen levels, the absence of harmful ultraviolet radiation, and a stable climate, might have been more conducive to supporting longer lifespans. This theory suggests that the shift in the conditions of living post-flood could account for the stark contrast in the average lifespan of humans before and after the event. Let's not forget the theory of different environmental conditions. Some argue that pre-flood conditions on Earth could have been more conducive to longer lifespans, a concept that science fiction often explores. But perhaps the most compelling interpretation is that these long lifespans are a symbol of the character's closeness to God. In a time when mortality was a daily reality, these epic lifespans could represent a divine blessing, a mark of favor from the Almighty. While the mystery of these long lifespans may never be fully solved, they continue to fascinate us and stimulate our imagination. Genesis chapter 5 is more than just a list of names and ages. It's a rich tapestry woven with the threads of humanity's early steps, interlaced with divine intervention. As we've journeyed through this chapter, we've discovered the significance of lineage, a testament to the roots of our existence. Each name, each age tells a story, connecting us to our past and guiding us towards our future. We've also delved into the mystery of longevity. The incredible lifespans recorded in this chapter aren't just numbers. They're a symbol of a time when humanity and divinity were closer than ever. They serve as a reminder of the eternal nature of the human spirit and the infinite wisdom of the divine. So, as we conclude our exploration of Genesis chapter 5, let's remember the lessons it holds for us, the importance of our roots, the mystery of longevity, and the eternal connection between humanity and the divine. Next time you read Genesis chapter 5, remember, it's not just a chronology, it's a fascinating tale of humanity, longevity, and the divine.